Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D solid model from existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD part design tools like Extrude, Mirror, Pocket, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. These are steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. In step 1, we sketch the front profile on XZ plane and we create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. These are the dimensions. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Choose Centered Rectangle and sketch on the horizontal axis. Remove unnecessary edges with the Trim tool. Sketch again centered rectangle on the horizontal axis. Remove unnecessary edges and curves. Assign the dimensions. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then set the length to 58 mm and symmetrical. In step 2, we create the holes with a diameter of 10 mm and we add fillets to the edges. Select the top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Extract the reference edges. Hide the pad. As you can see, our sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option through all. The next step is to mirror the created hole about the XZ plane. Now, we add fillets with a radius of 5 mm to the edges. Activate the Fillet tool and select the edges and then set the fillet radius to 5 millimeters. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. In step 3, we sketch the side profile on YZ plane and we create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. The distance from this curve to the upper circle center is 50 millimeters. Activate the Sketch tool and select the YZ plane. Activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. Sketch centered rectangle on the vertical axis. Assign for the height 47 millimeters. Constrain the rectangle to the center of the circles. Remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then set the length to 40 millimeters and symmetrical. In step 4, we sketch the cutout profile to remove material from the created solid part with the help of the Pocket tool. Activate again the Sketch tool and select the YZ plane. Activate the View Section tool and extract the reference curve. Sketch a rectangle and dimension the lower edge to the center point. Select the endpoints and the symmetry axis and then activate the Symmetry tool. As you can see, our sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 12 millimeters and symmetrical. The last step is to create the rib with a thickness of 6 millimeters. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Activate the View Section tool and extract the reference edges. Sketch a circle with a radius of 40 millimeters. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then set the length to 6 millimeters and symmetrical. As you see, our 3D solid part is finalized. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.